Samsung just upset everyone. Some disturbing details have come out about Samsung's next big product reveal event. It's pretty much certain now through various leaks that Samsung is using the same approach with the Z Fold 5 as they did with the Fold 4. It's as bad as Apple. We knew in advance that the Fold 5 will be very similar to the Fold 4 with no changes to the display or the cameras. So all our expectations were on the new water droplet hinge design. But it turns out it's only 14% better, to the point where it's not even noticeable compared to the Fold 4. If Oppo can do this and make a Fold without a crease, then why not Samsung? According to this insider information from Samsung employees via Ice Universe, it can't even be called the Z Fold 4. What's happening? Well, as disappointing as it is, and Samsung probably knows it, they're clearly changing the game and making the Z Flip 5 the main attraction at least this year. Looking at the past few years, the sales of foldable phones have shown over and over that Samsung's Flip is always the best-selling foldable phone of the year. With the Flip 5 getting its biggest design change and having Google apps custom-made for its outer display, as well as third-party social media apps, it's even said that Samsung is ramping up the production of the Flip 5 to strongly compete with the iPhone 15 series. Considering all this, Samsung surely has high expectations for the Flip 5, combined with the latest impressive tech that we've seen on the Galaxy S23 series. I have to say, I'm really looking forward to this phone. As for the Z Fold 5, it seems like this may not be the real upgrade that we wanted to see compared to the Fold 4. Even Samsung employees aren't happy, which gives us some insight. We'll definitely have clear answers soon as we see more leaks. July 27th is the scheduled date for the product reveal event happening for the first time in South Korea. Make sure to subscribe for all the updates. With that said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Hold me close till I get up.